Do you remember the time that you were so excited that the school bell rang and it was time for you to go home? Guess what? The second best bell after the school bell is altcoins bell icon. So press the bell icon after you subscribe. Thank you. Let's get into the video. Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to a Bitcoin update. Today we are looking at Bitcoin making pump up to 16,491, but this is still not positive. Okay, still not positive, and I'm gonna tell you why, because there's a concept known as fall to supply. So what I'm expecting right now is that you do have a clear breakout of the pennant. That's the 4-hour time frame pennant. So if I do break this line up here, I do expect that move up to nearly 16,800, particular maybe 17,000, get rejected there, and then slowly start to move even lower. Now I'm looking at so many different coins. None of those coins seem to me as if they are interested to move higher. Actually, if anything, all I see is a move back up to some level of resistance, because we do go down. I always say this, right? We do go down in a waveform. So go down, pump a little bit, go down, pump, go down, pump, go down, pump, and then boom. Okay, so that's a zone that is really, really difficult to predict. That if you go down like this and you have a technical target of 12,000 due to that flag, what becomes difficult is to say if you go down and crash down straight, you go down with backtesting things, or you just go down very, very, very slowly, or maybe move sideways. Now this is a little bit a difficult kind of art to paint, but that doesn't really matter. What really matters is that it is meant to come down here as long as you don't cross above a certain level of invalidation, and that's gonna be 17,811. So we're looking for that one to come up here. If it does come up here, invalidation of a pennant. Simple. Can it happen? Anything can happen, but you have to be careful again and go step by step. Today is Wednesday. We have Thursday and Friday, so it's gonna be WTF, and at the moment, that's not what you think. WTF actually means Wednesday, Thursdays, and Friday, for your kind information. And we're looking for that thing to move up here, probably to 16,000, 17,000-ish, and then get rejected there, and then slowly by the weekends resume the falls to the downside. I'm still out of the market. I still look at the charts of so many different coins. I'm still convinced that there are chances to move even way more lower. So we're not out of the way just yet. So be very, very careful. That's pretty much it for this update on Bitcoin. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.